Hi guys. Just yeah, I think it's working. Oh, well, hi guys. I am screwing around on iFilm, iCamera, iMovie. There we go. Um, I have a friend here. He's a very special friend. Uh-oh, spilled something. Quack, Quek Quek. Here, I'll bring the camera to Quek Quek. Quek. Camera. Hi Quek Quek. Sing to me, Quek Quek. Quek Quek is now on the camera, and as you can see, he's showing you his tail. Quek Quek is a mourning dove I rescued at the beginning of this summer, at the end of the 2011-2012 year, my sophomore year. I've saved this little bird. Um, his nest was cut down while they were cutting the branches, and I picked him up and I carried him into the bus and I fed him every day by hand. Milk crop. I know technically I'm supposed to bring it to some sort of wildlife museum or something, but they would have just put him down because mourning doves are quite they're not rare. They're not special. They'd be like, "Oh, yeah, thank you for this," and then right when I left, so I took care of it, and it's a pet. It's domesticated. Um, I can talk to him, and he talks back. And he goes flying around. And no, birds are not dirty because they're very clean animals. They they clean themselves and they take water baths and they only eat seeds, so very healthy diets. Okay, bye. Oh, hello. I just want to do an update on Quek Quek, baby, my baby, and she's doing fine. Or maybe it's a he. I don't know, but I think it's a she. Why? Well, she can't get away from me, so she's obviously a female, because females don't ever get away from me. Quek Quek, why don't you get over here? She's pecking my toes right now. It's kind of relaxing, you know. Quek Quek, come here. She's a dog. She's a dog bird. Oh, you're gonna make me chase. She's gonna make me chase her. Here, I'll show you. Quek Quek. Quek Quek. There's Quek Quek. Here's my feet. I don't know why. She has some sort of foot fetish with me. She keeps trying to peck my. Maybe they think my toes are worms. Oh, is it a challenge? Am I challenging you? Quek Quek. The battle royale. Oh! 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 I really should be doing homework right now. Hey, oh, oh. I feel like this will be much more interesting with music. Gosh, this laptop's heavy. Oh, a retreat. You win. You win. So, yeah. This has been Genesis Matt and Quek Quek. Goodbye.